Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Ray here in Kentucky on the Stryker SR-655. Ray, we got this ready to go. We pulled it back out of the box, shoot you a short little video. We'll get right to it. RF power all the way down. 5-watt slug. It will key 2 watts. Now we set it that way so if you decide to run an amplifier with it one day, you can have full adjustability and roll the carrier anywhere you want. RF power all the way up. 100-watt scale. We set it at 20 watts a carrier. I'm going to show you what it's going to swing average power. Hello, 44 bird. Let's look at peak power. Hello, 90 peak. That is about where I'd run it right there, Ray. If you're going to run it by itself, I think you'll enjoy it. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.